Welcome to this video. If you're watching this video and you want to make sales online and you struggle, or you want to make more sales, this will really help. This will give you a really quick video, but I'm going to give you a prompt that will help you sell pretty much anything. I'm going to focus on a ClickBank product, and this is also the reason I decided to do the video. Is this step is normally missed. What happens if you go and promote a ClickBank product? You might go for promoting under the title, the name of the product, or you might go for picking an area that you think the product helps, and then finding that there's loads of competition, you're not making any sales, the messaging is just all buy the product, and then you find yourself into a numbers game, which it always is, but you need far higher numbers, like 200, 300 visits to make a sale. And that means if you're using pay-per-click, it's just not feasible, it's just not going to make you much money. So this prompt will really help. I'm going to give you a simple prompt, quite a long prompt, but a simple prompt that will allow you to find out exactly who you should be selling the product to and why they would buy it. And that means that you can go into the marketplace and you can present it to the people that will actually buy, whether you're running ads or whether you're promoting through social media. It will really help you. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and do subscribe if you're interested in building income streams with AI. And if you're interested in this stuff and you want to go further and you want to have a ClickBank site and an Amazon affiliate site built for you, then do check out this page. I've put it in the description and I've put it in the comments. It's the ultimate thank you offer. Check out the video at the top, but you will essentially get a 15-page Amazon affiliate site and ClickBank site as well, and a quick start plan for all three assets. You're actually getting a funnel as well. So if you just want to speed this up and have it all sort of done for you, ready to go to send traffic to, do check that out. That's in the description and in the comments. Okay, so let's get back to this prompt and I'll show you how it's laid out. So for this prompt I'm using ChatGPT 01 or O1, so that's the reasoning GPT, and you can see here context. I want a comprehensive analysis of this website, which I'll show you in a minute. The product is a probiotic formula designed to improve gut health. Tasks: summarize the site content. That's to get concise summary of what the product is without having to read the whole sales page. Identify how it's different, unique value propositions or key points that set the brand apart from other gut health supplements. Audience and pain points, that's really important. That's what we've just been talking about. It will analyze them and tell me who's most likely to buy. And then language and tone, trust and social proof is just when you're promoting it. Where does it stand apart? What proof has it got? And here we go. Constraints: provide the analysis in clear bullet points, avoid being general, use specific examples, and I want to understand how to position this product uniquely in the market and with actionable insights. So all that said, this is the product. It's a top seller on ClickBank, so I just picked it out at random. It's actually a supplement, and what that will do is when you go to ClickBank and you find a product that you want to promote, without having to read the whole sales page, you put that prompt in, and you can see here it will give me core offering. Prime Biome promotes a single signature probiotic formula focused on improving gut health, digestion and overall wellness. Now if you were to just go into the marketplace and promote that, you'd have trouble because it's so competitive. So what you want to do is start looking at two things: the unique value. Here we go. So how is it different? Well, it gives spore forming technology, special spore based strains that set it apart from standard probiotics. I don't know anything about the product, by the way, just a little disclaimer, but this prompt, this part of the prompt will pick out how it's different to a lot of products out there, and that's really what we want. We want a unique value, not just another probiotic. And this part is also really interesting to us: target audience, health conscious adults likely 30 years old or older who experience mild to moderate digestive issues or want to proactively maintain gut health. We could also get a list of the most common health problems where probiotics would help, Okay, an example of this is just after taking antibiotics, where it upsets your gut, and if you were to just target people that have got upset guts from taking antibiotics, you've then got a lot of searches, but you haven't got the competition. So that's really why we want to go into a target audience. And then the value in the product is holistic, natural, possibly active in personal wellness routines. This is the person buying it. Yoga, fitness, mindful eating, concerned about gut related discomfort and key pain points. This is really important. Chronic bloating and digestive discomfort, lack of energy or sluggishness tied to poor gut health, desire for a simple daily supplement that doesn't feel like medication. So knowing that, we can then take this and expand on it. And you could say, okay, what health problems would be best to target, and then you've got the exact person to target, and that means that all your marketing is laser targeted to that one person, instead of trying to compete online with millions of other people promoting the same product. You're going after people that are recovering from antibiotics, that have bad gut health, okay? Or you're going after people that want a holistic and natural health solution and a probiotics that works a little bit differently. And then you've got the other things to help, like testimonials and reviews, where to get them, certifications to talk about, guarantee and transparency, and then recommendations on how to strengthen that, deepen the scientific proof, highlight the spore advantage, and so on. So what we've done there, and it works with any product, is a simple prompt, and I'll paste the prompt as well in the comments, a simple prompt that will allow you to find out the main pain points that a product is sort of targeting, exactly who to go for, while still maintaining actual traffic and searches. And that means that you can go into the most popular product on ClickBank, as I've just done, and find a way in without having to compete with everyone. So go and try out that prompt on a product that you want to promote, and then mark it to the recommended sub niche, and that way you can get ranked quicker. Or if you're doing pay-per-click, you can pay less and make more sales and have far better targeting. Now, you do need to have good messaging, you do need to have a funnel recommended. If you're stuck for those things, do check out the ultimate thank you offer below, because you'll get them given to you, and a Amazon affiliate site and ClickBank site. It's not in this niche, but it's working on exactly the same principles that I've just shown in this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do give us a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.